Now if you are trying to connect your phone to a Wi-Fi, but if your device always keeps on scanning and looking for Wi-Fi network but does not show network name here or does not get connected, then let us see what to do. Now the first thing is you have to check whether this is a software issue or it is a hardware issue also. For that one, what you have to do is, along with Wi-Fi, you also have to check if your device can look for Bluetooth devices or not. Right now you can see I have many devices that is found by the Bluetooth of my Samsung phone, and this Samsung watch is also connected. If you don't see any Bluetooth devices, or if your phone keeps on scanning and does not find any Bluetooth device, then this is the first sign that this is a hardware issue, because Wi-Fi and Bluetooth both use the same antenna to look for devices. The next thing that you have to do is you have to go to the members application. If you have not installed, you have to install it, and then go to diagnostics, go to phone diagnostics, and you have to select this option, test. When you select the option for first time, you will not see these options. The phone will test for all the components that are present in your phone. So what you have to do is you have to stop the test, and then you will see the option to test each component individually. So what I will do is I will test for Wi-Fi at first. So I will select Wi-Fi and then test. You can see my Wi-Fi is normal. I will go back and go to Bluetooth and then test. Again you can see the Bluetooth is normal. So this shows that there is no problem with my Wi-Fi and Bluetooth in my Samsung phone. But if you see, if your phone is not able to check your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then it means that this is a hardware issue. In that case, you have to go to the technician and fix the phone. But if the Bluetooth shows normal and if Wi-Fi shows normal, but if your phone cannot connect to Wi-Fi, then let us see what to do. The first thing is we'll go to this settings here. Then we will go to location. Go to location services. Disable this option at first. Also disable this location. After that, restart your phone, and once your phone is restarted, again enable this location. Go to location services and enable both of them. So this is the first step that you have to do. The next thing that we will do is we will reset our network settings. So go to settings here, go to general, go to reset, then select the option reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and then reset settings. So once you do this one, you have to again try to check if your phone can see Wi-Fi network name or not. The next thing is we have to wipe out the cache partition. Now if you have to wipe out the cache partition in Samsung S24 or S25, then at first you have to connect your phone to a computer by using USB-C cable, and then switch off the phone at first. So let me connect my phone to the computer by using this USB-C cable, and then I will switch off the phone. So once my phone is completely switched off, then I have to press the volume up button and this power on off button and hold until my phone goes into the recovery mode. So my phone has gone into the recovery mode, and there are some options here. So if I have to select the options at the bottom, I will press this volume down button. So I have selected wipe cache partition, and if I have to use this option, I have to press this side button here. So it is asking me if I want to wipe out the cache partition. I have to press this volume down button and select yes, and then press this side button. Now no data will be deleted from your phone, only the cache files for the applications will be deleted. After that, reboot system now is automatically selected. I will press this side button to reboot my phone. So once your phone restarts, try to check if the device will look for Wi-Fi network name or not. Now sometimes this issue might be caused with a corrupt update in your phone. So in that case, you have to see if there is an update available in your phone. So for that one, go to settings here, Go to software update, select download and install. Right now for me there is an update available, so I have to select this option, install now, and update my phone. Similarly, check this one in your phone. Now if nothing works, then the last option for you is to factory reset your phone. Now before that one, you have to back up your phone so that you can restore it. So once you have backed up, you have to go to settings here, then go to general management, go to reset, and select this option, factory data reset. So this will tell you that all of the accounts will be removed, the applications that you have installed will be removed. If you want to go further, select reset, and then you have to enter the PIN code of your phone and then factory reset your phone. So do all of these things and you should be able to see the Wi-Fi network in your phone. But if it is a hardware issue, you have to take it to the technician.